In today's video, I'll show you how to fix can't access router address or your router address is not working. So to tackle this issue, what at first you have to do is find out your router IP address. For that, just be on your desktop, then just at the bottom right corner, find your Wi-Fi or Ethernet icon. This basically is your internet icon. Just right click on it. Then just click on Network and Internet Settings. After that, this page will load up called Network and Internet. From here, you'll find an option called Properties. You will be connected via Wi-Fi or Ethernet, doesn't matter. You will always find an option called Properties here. Just click on that. And then just scroll down a bit. And here, under IPv4 default gateway, you're gonna find your Wi-Fi router address. This is basically address of the router setup page. You can copy it from here. And there's another way to find this out. Just close this and go to your search bar and type CMD and just run CMD as an administrator and give it permission. Then in here, you just need to type ipconfig. And this is also gonna show you your IPv4 address or the default gateway address from here, which is basically your router setup page address. So just copy it from here and close everything. Then just open your browser and paste it in the URL tab, not the Google search. Make sure you don't put it in a search engine. You need to put it in the URL tab. Just paste it and hit enter. And you will be introduced to your Wi-Fi router setup page. And if it doesn't work for you, what you can do is just try out a new browser. I tried on Brave browser. If that didn't work for you, just try out a new browser. So I'll open Edge now. I'll do the same thing for Edge. I'll just paste it in the address bar or the URL bar. Hit enter. Then it will ask me for password. And usually the password is admin. But if you have changed it during the first setup, that's going to be your password. So just enter the password and click on login. And it should work for you. But if it still doesn't work, what you have to do is just minimize all of your browser and go to search and search for view network connections. From the best matches, just open up view network connections. Just expand this section. If you are using a Wi-Fi adapter, you'll see it over here. I'm using an Ethernet adapter, so I see it as Ethernet. Whatever you see, Wi-Fi or Ethernet, just go ahead and right-click on it and click on Properties. From here, just go to Internet Protocol version 4 or IPv4 and hit Properties. From here, make sure Obtain IP address automatically is selected. If it's selected at the bottom one, use the following IP address. Make sure the first one is selected. As well as this one, use the following DNS server. Make sure it is selected to obtain DNS server automatically. Click on OK, click on Close. Then just close everything out and restart your computer. And after that, just come back and try to go to the address again and it should work. And basically, that is how to fix can't access router setup page or router setup page not working. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.